Irrevocable trusts are just what it says. Once you establish it, you can't revoke it. The difference between a living trust or a revocable trust is you can set up this trust, move all your assets into it. You're still the trustee. You're still the beneficiary. At any time, you can say, "I'm finished with this. I'm gonna void this trust and just go back to just a plain will." Irrevocable trusts aren't that easy. Once you set it up, you can't just terminate it. Why people like irrevocable trust is because, for the most part, you can create them so creditors can't get your money in there. But another reason people like irrevocable trust is because you can safeguard heirs. You can protect them better. In today's world, again, you never know what your children are going to do with your money. A lot of times, if they get a large sum of money when they're 25 or 30, they go through it pretty quickly, and then they have nothing, and then they're in trouble, and they create a lifestyle they can't maintain, and they spiral out of control. Not always, but it's a possibility. So an irrevocable trust will assist you in protecting them. One of the things that I have seen is a lot of times children put a lot of pressure on surviving parents. They guilt trip them. And so surviving parents will give them money, and pretty soon their surviving parent didn't have any money either. And one thing that's helpful sometimes in establishing trust is you can appoint a third party, like a fiduciary, to be the trustee of your trust. This person will be the trustee, so your surviving spouse won't have to do it. He or she can say, "You need to go talk to the trustee because, that's in his hands now." And hopefully the trustee you select is someone who knows you, who you provided videotapes about what your desires are for this trust, how to handle situations. If you have a child who's in situations that need funding, here's what I want you to do. If I have a son who wants to buy a new Ferrari, I'm not going to do that. And so it helps take pressure off the surviving parent on how to deal with children. And children are pretty good at making parents feel guilty. So I always recommend, if you have a surviving parent who you don't think can stand up to the children, help them. Give them somebody to help them, to talk to. Don't just leave them out there on their own. Make someone a co-trustee with them. And that's another reason that you seek a lawyer or a fiduciary to help you with those decisions.